Shadows, my old friends. I've come to find your glow again. Through empty streets, the silence breathing. Dreams of static slowly weaving. And a thought that's deep inside my mind still remind. Chase echoes in the night.
Sleep, I walk alone. Glass and wires of silver tone. Neon tears fall down the buildings. Whispers hide what hearts are feeling. And the light that flickers softly in my eyes never lies. Just fading echoes in the night. I reach for voices, none reply. Only data waves collide. All our words are lost in motion, drifting through a sea of ocean. And the dreams we built from fragments of the sky pass me by. Still there are echoes in the night. Said you do not know. Silence like a cancer grows. Hear my words that I might teach you. Take my arms that I might reach you. But my words like silent raindrops fell. And echoed in the wells of silence. So I speak, but no one hears. Soundless truths beneath the years. Every signal slowly dying. Every soul in silence crying. And the noise inside the circuits of my mind is confined to endless echoes in the night.